Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So if you want to change wallpaper, you have to firstly open settings, then go to the display section, then to the wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set one of the pre-installed wallpapers on your device. You can select one of those. You can also select one of the live wallpapers, some of the pre-installed ones, or you can just select an image from your gallery and set it as wallpaper. You can adjust it here, and then you just tap set wallpaper, and after that wallpaper will be changed. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.